Hey guys, so today we're doing a camera comparison with the Pixel 6 Pro against the iQOO 9 Pro. Now this is the Chinese version that I have in my hand. I bought this from GizTop. It's not the global one that's just been released. But I think the only difference is the software anyway. So I'm going to compare both of these pictures and videos to see which one comes out on top. Now before we get into that, I will include timestamps below if you just want to go straight to the camera test as soon as that starts. But I just want to tell you something. End of last month I started a new series called 10 Minute Tech. Now this is over on my website. There's 3 prizes up for grabs. So we have the UniDigi tablet. We also have the Aeropex Aftershocks headphones and this cool Yaeber V10 projector. All you've got to do is head over to my website, guys. I'll include a link to the website in the description below. One of those prizes you can enter for free. Just got to put your details in, absolutely free. You have to answer questions as well for all the competitions. The other 2 competitions, answer the question and there's a £2 ticket for each as well. That's for the tablet and the projector. Those will be drawn beginning of March. So I'll announce the winner. I think there's only a few days left to go until the beginning of March. So if you want to go and check that out, on my website description, the link will be there. And then my next episode of 10 Minute Tech will come in March. I'll be giving away another 3 prizes. So stay tuned. Now let's get straight into this camera comparison. Enjoy. Garlic. Hey, Minnie.
Very hard to understand what's going on in her mind, really. Probably that she wishing she'd never had diabetes, you know. Or she wishes she was probably normal like other people without diabetes, and at her age she would want to eat and drink and do things that other youngsters want to do, but she's limited. Really?
This is Nabila told me it's eating disorder because I really don't know eating disorder.
She's got this?
Yeah.
She's eating disorder.
.1080p 30 on both. We're limited on the iQOO 9 Pro at 1080p 30, whereas on the Pixel you can shoot 4K 30 on the front. We'll just compare them both exactly the same. This is low light here. It's night time. I go to bed in a minute. What do you think? I'm quite surprised, you know, with the iQOO. Although this light's being blown out there now, though. Yeah, I'm quite surprised, you know. But yeah, like I said, the Pixel, you can shoot 4K on the front.
I should put a hat on, but the ears are cold.
Where is that place? Isn't it? Don Vincenzo.
I was thinking maybe this week or next week. Maybe next week we should go out for dinner. And I want to go to that Galata, the Turkish place in Raynham.
We'll tell everyone where we live, yeah?
We don't live at the Turkish place.
Oh no.
But I would like to go there.
Emily, that's all its materials,
just want to get this.
I forgot to put my watch on.
I shouldn't say I'm the issue.
I saw you with the camera. You know, go around. Literally.
Yeah. Lovely dress. So a 4K 60 on both, and we're on a tripod as well, so it's super steady. We can go 2 times optical on the Pixel and 2.5 optical on the iQOO 9 Pro. So with the iQOO we can shoot to 8K 30, but on the Pixel 6 we have 4K 60. Now with the iQOO there is no stabilisation in 8K, as you can see, which doesn't look too good. Okay, front facing video, the iQOO only 1080p 30, Pixel 4K 30. So obviously the Pixel has done a much better job. You can see the clouds, the sky. And the iQOO is quite blown out. And there's no stabilisation either. Which one do you prefer? Which one's doing a better job? This is Pixel 6, isn't it? Pixel 6 Pro. No question. Right. Yeah, it's all blown out there on the iQOO. See it right there. A bit more 4K 60 footage. See the Rochester Castle there. Really sunny today, which is very much welcomed after all the windy and rainy weather we've had. And over here, God, wind. They're both doing a superb job. Which is stabilising better. So this is zoomed in 2.5 on the iQOO video, and 2x optical on the Pixel. What do you think, guys? What do you think? But obviously the Pixel can go all the way up to 4x optical zoom, but not in 4K 60. We're now at 4K 30 ultra wide on the Pixel, but on the iQOO 9 Pro we're at 4K 60 ultra wide. The Pixel doesn't like 4K 60 ultra wide, so that's something to consider as well. Head around. Oh, it's windy. Yeah, so ultra wide video. Okay, so ultra wide again, but this time both at 1080p 60. And we're going to walk around here and have a look at this absolutely stunning view. There we go. There's the cathedral. Which one does it better?
Just
It's 1080p 30 on both. It's a bit dark on that one, though, to be fair. Yeah, nearly the end of the video now. The wind's blowing my phone and I don't want it to knock the tripod over. I'll turn round. That is the view. See the Pixel performing better there. So, camera comparison finished. What were your thoughts, or what's your sort of inkling? The iQOO 9 Pro obviously had a massive job to keep up with the Pixel 6 Pro, but I thought this dealt some really good blows throughout. I really did. I think this did very well on selfie photo at night time. I think I preferred that than the Pixel 6 Pro. There was this odd sort of choppy playback as well at 1080p 60 on this, on the rear for some reason. The 4K 60 and 4K 30 were absolutely fine. Stabilization's fantastic on this, and obviously with the built-in gimbal stabilization within this as well, works superb. I really like that. 2x optical zoom maximum. That's got 4x optical zoom, but you can't use that in 4K 60, which I showed you on the video. Front-facing video on this as well. You did see it, like the dynamic range wasn't great. It's much better on the Pixel. Overall, I do give it to the Pixel 6 Pro, but I'd love to know your thoughts in the comments down below. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.